I change it to 5 because I can see that my opening width. Now, because American, the door library, their opening for clear and rough is the same. Why? Because in US, all these are wood. Then when they cast, it's not like Singapore here. We order the frame, the door, or we build separately. In Singapore, all these are do separately. Not like US. They come as the frame and door together. That means you can pre-order from the factory. Singapore wooden door, no. All do separately. So in other words, this is your rough opening. For Aki, this is your clear opening. So you need to be clear on this. All right. So now I would like to measure distance. What is my clear opening for this? Okay, 800. So my door opening width is 800. So 800, if I want a wooden door, height normally is around 2 meter or 2.1. Okay, so I go to door, but of course not this metal frame lah. This one totally cannot lah. How can you use a metal frame at your own house? Wooden frame and wooden metal panel. All right, this is metal panel. We want wood. So I go to load family. Now load family, you need to choose what outdoor you want. For Singapore, I think if you can't find a proper door here in 2020, then you got to choose a different one. See, Singapore doors terrible. The library is, I don't have. Notice external also don't have. My God. Singapore don't have door we want because of the 2020 version onward, the change. So I have no choice. I got to use either the UK or the US. So I go to libraries, UK. Let's look for door, then door internal. Here at least we have some door here. So let's view large icon. Okay, so this is more like your main door lah. It's not like standard door. Standard door, how can you use a glass panel? People can peep into your room. Unless you tell me this is a sandblast, then maybe okay. All right, I think Singapore nowadays are quite norm, right? Because if you add a glass, it makes your door heavy. Okay, but design cost also increase, definitely. All right, so it depends on what you want. I won't stop you. You can pick any wall you want. All right, but make sure it's 800 by 2 meter opening, or if not 8 meter, 800 by 2.1. Okay, I think Singapore is around 2 meter, so 8 by 2000. So if I don't want this, I will try to choose the US. I think US will have better door than UK. So I'm selecting now is the residential. I'm going to change my view here to large. So I choose, this is to a lot of people might say, hey, this is old fashioned. Where I have 6 panel wood. Yeah. Then be careful. This is the interior with 2 panel wood. I think this is quite norm. 6 panel is quite old fashioned. 4 is nice. All right. So let's say I choose 4 panel. Okay. Then open. Now, if you ever come across like this is what we call catalog. Now, catalog, I think I mentioned to you all before, right? If you are selecting a door type you want, you choose. Don't just pick OK. You pick OK, everything will be loaded. All right, then a lot of rubbish will end up in your library, I mean in your model. So we want 800 by 2000, which is this. Select. Okay. Only this door will be loaded. Now, see now. Okay. You can insert first randomly. Don't worry. Cancel. You can flip. Now, flip means what? Here. This is to flip swing. This one here is to flip hinge. So be careful. Okay. So your alignment should be where? Here, right? Correct now. So align this to this. Okay. Quite accurate, huh? So correct lah. Don't be disturbed by this because this is actually at your first story. All right, because we are using wireframe, that's why you can see through. If I select this to hidden line, it won't be seen. See that? So you must understand all this type of visibility. A lot of a lot of things need to consider. Don't panic. Yeah, you panic, you don't know what to do next step. Okay, so sometimes because of wireframe, Jerry, you see through your wall. See now, because of this. Set a bit cost. Now it's okay. Look at it. So sometimes you don't panic yourself. All right. So this is my door for this. See? Perfect. Sitting at 0. Look at the seal height. 0. Oh, yeah. So if this door and this door are same, you can measure again. Fine. Double check here. Distance this to this. Oh, yeah, it's 800. My text is a bit small. So if 800, then you can choose this door, right click, create similar, insert here lah. So you can move or space bar to flip it. So randomly pick somewhere, then you align. Clear to clear. Now, like this. So it's done. So you have 2 door added. Okay. Don't worry about this color. Don't bother. We can change one. All right. Doesn't matter. See, at least you have a door there. Yeah. All good. Okay. Now look like this. So you can see in your plan, if you set your view next time correctly, it should be displayed nicely like this. See? So you do not manually leave an opening. That means, or you draw your wall, you stop there, you draw another piece. Don't. All right. So this is how you should design. Plan 3D is for you to visualize. Remember, don't just stick to one view. Questions? If okay, I will clear this area to conceal nicely. So slowly, I get my model done. Any questions? Oops, Win.
So do you mind if ask you to do one just one of the door again?
Which one?
Just any of the door. Because so basically it's just basically component, then you pick a model in place, then you create door. That's all right.
Yeah lah. Just go
Okay.
to Aki door, then just insert lor. Because I always like to measure first. So we can see that if the view is being blocked, you can't tell what is the opening ma. So you must change to wireframe. Then you set it to 5. Then you can see. You can see means I can measure. So distance. I think all should be the same, 800. Yeah. And normally door type for Aki all these doors should be the same. So same, you can actually select existing, right click, create similar law. Then everything you insert will be identical. See? Normally don't judge from here lah. Say estimate lah center. All right, a bit difficult unless you are really good at managing your mouse or controlling. That means the pixel, the resolutions of your mouse. Gamer mouse will be good. My mouse is not a gamer mouse, so I prefer to use the align function. So modify, align. This is my fixed location. This is my clear opening. So intact nicely. Okay. We can't get 100% accurate, but as close as possible, good enough. Okay, like that.
Sure. When you look family, right? Cause you select UK, right?
No,
So which one?
my US.
Okay,
My
so
UK
which
don't
one do we
have.
select?
Huh?
Like once we go in, then we are supposed to go to structure what?
No, what structure? You mean go to
Aki
Aki
door,
then
look
go
family.
to load family. I go to US law. US, if you up a level, you are doing commercial hardware is the handle, doorknob or this. Then I'm using residential. Residential more on interior lah. So you just change your view larger lah. Then here got a lot of type of door lah. US, their door is quite standard lah. Normally they have panel board in between. It means anytime all this panel board I can change to glass, which is quite flexible. Singapore, normally our door, we prefer one piece. The rest like panel, all these are what we call solid wood. Yeah, which is, this type of door is very expensive. Oh, so it depends on architecture or create something similar. Because here the model did not show the requirement. We just insert something similar, closest to the design, as close as possible. That's it.
Yeah, I can't find my US folder. I mean, I got download both. If not, yeah, I got download both. I don't know.
You must know where is it. Normally, it should be under the program data. You don't follow mine because my C drive hard disk space is not enough. That's why I download, copy and paste at D drive. Yeah.
Okay, I found it.
Mm.
Yours is US, right? You say?
Correct. US matrix.
Oh no, mine is not US. Mine is UK. I think.
UK don't have for my case, so I using US.
Because my US metric, don't have. Oh yeah, you need to select residential, right?
Have lah. If you download before,
have. I select wrong. I thought it's just normal door. Okay, open. Then after that, do you have to select anything? Don't you? We just press OK only, right? On the specific types.
Yeah. No. You need to pick your door. As I say, if you don't choose the type you want, all the door will be loaded. But I only want this door.
800 by
2000.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So
Singapore, very rare. You get a 800 by 2.1. Very rare. Unless initially the owner is like 1.8, 1.9 meter. Are they different? Then maybe you ask for the main door height to be 2.2 or 2.3 because he's a tall guy. Yeah. If let's say we are average, maybe 1.7, 1.8. Mostly condo and those what do you call it? HDB is 2 meter. But let's say the terrace house, bungalow, normally you can set higher. Yeah, 2.1, 2.2. So it make your door opening, the door look magnificent. So the door width may be 900, not 800. Yeah. Okay. So all this, there's always a plus and minus lah. All right. It's just that you got to measure and get what you want based on the Aki. Okay. Here is more like the Asian size, I would say. Yeah.
Sir,
Rest yep.
can you zoom in your door?
Which one?
Anyone.
Okay.
I mean in second floor.
Yeah, I'm second floor, correct. This second floor.
Second floor plan. No, 2D,
Oh,
2D, not 3D.
Okay, okay. Which one?
Anyone is okay. Just zoom in.
I do the alignment. Yeah.
Around my door wall, there got some line. I don't know whether it's correct or not.
What some line? You mean here like additional 2 line?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter
That's it.
because that is your panel thickness.
Okay.
That one don't bother. Important thing is you get your width you want. The clear width is more important.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions? Even I would say that the window you try to follow from your drawing might also not be there. As I say, try to select the window as close as possible. It's not 100% you can get something identical. All right. So you guys just want to understand how to insert a window, how to create the window size, all those things. That's it. Enough. Only when you second part of your design, which is the later part after your midterm or test, it means your week 8, all right, onward, then that project will be very interesting because this is a tips or hint to you guys. Your test will also test you like how you design, how you do cleans up. If you know how to do this first assignment by yourself, not copy from a friend, asking is okay. To do your test is not an issue. Just like as I've said before, when you design, you got to be cautious. Yes, for start is slow, but once you get the hang of it, you must try to learn and do it fast because test you have only 3 hours or less. So it's a speed. So when we do the fundamental exercise, we do slow and understand the logic and the connectivity, also called the relationship of your components. Understand it, how you can resolve all this issue. Because your second assignment will be a lot more challenging. Yes. Okay. Questions?
Sure, mine.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, I don't know if it's correct.
Hmm?
Do you mind if I share screen with you? Then you can check if it's
okay.
correct. Okay.
Why?
Is everything correct here? I feel there's something wrong at the finishing side.
What finishing? Yeah, some of the colors of the columns, that's only one. Why?
No, there's one part that you say you want to finish, right? The last part. You say uncover. Is it this part?
Yeah, haven't done yet. Because just now you guys asked me door, so I show you door first.
Yeah. So my door, everything is correct, right?
Yeah lah, correct. Why?
Okay. Then
because
yeah, it's okay. You say.
No, I say you see like your door is floating, whatever is correct because you have not add any slab yet, ma. This is still partially done, not finished yet, so don't worry.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. Yep. Because sometimes things are not fully completed, so no need to jump into to conclusion yet. See, what I mentioned just now is this is the area I want to clean up. Okay, so I want this to be expand from this wall. So I'm going to pick my back view, select this wall, and do a profile edit. Okay, or edit profile. Then you zoom in. Select your pick line. Pick this. You pick this, and you pick this. Okay. So cleans up properly. But if I do this method, you notice that this will be an issue here. Let's see first, see what type of issue it gonna give me, a problem they're gonna give me. So I'm going to select this cleans up here and here, here and here. Finish it. Looks good. 3D, take a look. Any issue? Okay, so far cleans up is good. See that? Now it look like this. Yeah lah, of course under slab look ugly lah. Right? So normally here you should have a false ceiling to tidy up nicely lah. You don't see your upper slab here, at the staircase in your house lah. Which is terrible lah, this one. Okay, so it should look like this. Then when you add a slab, you might not able to see something clearer on this side, which is what I'm gonna do now. Okay, you can get this thing done or not? Here.
No, because I don't have the line when you pick the line, you got the staircase, right? I don't have.
Yeah lah, what don't have? Your view
When you pick the line, yeah, the view. Like so after when you pick the line, after you have the staircase showing, but mine don't have.
You can set your view on ma.
Yeah, I set to
this. You edit profile. You can see on what? What cannot see?
Yeah, I edit profile. Then after I put back.
You can see this slab from staircase ma.
Yeah, but then mine is got the wall blocking. Is it because I never put the section box inside? That's why I cannot see.
Yep. Because of this view, you notice that if I adjust this view, I'm cutting inside. See, this outside. See now.
Yeah, that's why I cannot see the.
So you must drag lah. Drag, make sure it's visible lor. That's why I say don't panic. Slowly you adjust, fine tune your view until you get what you're supposed to get.
Because I didn't put the section box like in the first
place. You must.
Oh, must.
Yes, it's a must. Section box is to show what is the internal component. You don't apply section box how to get the correct view. 3D model view, when your model start to take place, when you getting like multiple level or story, a lot of components start to block here and there. When they are blocked means that's where your section box comes in. This step is always the must.
What's the key for section box?
Sorry?
The key, the what's the key for section box?
BX.
BX.
You're talking about shortcut key, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, BX. This one, when you select any wall or any component, the properties here the contextual ribbon will show you. This is the key, BX. Always remember those important tools that you will need to use them quite frequently quite often another word
Okay.
The rest all sleeping. Hopefully it's not I know you guys are tired.
Okay.
Thank you. I see all the 202 are very quiet 202 are champion now, right? So you guys may want to share with the rest of them. All right. Okay, so I try to clean up this area, and so does the bathroom. How I'm going to clean up this? Okay, let's see. I have a study room, so before study room, I have this wall. So this is my exterior wall, which is now this one. I need to drag up like this. Okay, outside first, like that. So I'm going to add this slab, which is Aki floor, Aki, then edit type, duplicate, set it to study room, or just study. Follow the Aki lah, study. Okay, no change. Okay, then I will sketch my floor slab, rectangle, here to here. Okay, finish. Remember, whenever they ask you this, don't attach. Okay. Let me stop recording first, because I think if I continue